Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up your out of office on your Gmail account. So if you're currently using Gmail and you want to set up out of office, then this is the easiest way to do it. You want to click on your settings on the upper right hand side, click on see all settings, then you scroll all the way down to the bottom under the generals tab. And you'll have a section that says vacation, right? So currently my vacation is off, but if I want to turn this on, I can do so, and just I can go ahead and I can set the dates if I want. So this is the start date. So let's say I'm going to be on vacation from today. I can go ahead and enable the end date, for example. Let's say until Sunday. I can do that. Put here the subject of my email, write the text that I want, right? And guess what? You go ahead and save. You can choose if you want to have this only send a response to people in your contact list. You really can decide if you want that or just generally. I would say, guess what? Leave it general, because guess what? Whatever, even if you receive any emails, then you want to be able to have that email response. So, but this is really optional. But that's all you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.